Alright, do it.
It's extremely hard.
Okay. Introduce us to this.
This is how to get rid of the hiccups. How do you swallow 3 times? Or you just smack your neck. No. One. 2. Tight. And the hiccups are gone. Oh, God. Your hiccups are gone. Hey, what are you doing, July 10th? I'll be at the beach. Well, I'll be headed to the beach. We will too. Really? Where y'all going? St. George Island?
We're not going there.
Is anyone recording me? Anybody want to take a little trip to Maryland? Oh, it's like good. Maryland! You should go to the beach and come to Maryland. I would.